Welcome to As Channel. I hope you'll enjoy. Pay attention to the ladders. They are not well secured.
Oh shit!
Driver checked rearview mirror during the event, and the only cars were barely visible further behind. It was just the two of them. This happened on the Queensboro Connector in New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada.
Holy cow.
Road rage. Pay attention, it didn't last long, and luckily without consequences. This happened on Interstate 265 Louisville. Car in front was turning, however driver couldn't see around the left turning lane on the other side and thought he could make it. The pickup truck was turning right. The woman in the white car was not paying attention and rear-ended the truck. She then pulled into the parking lot, and then apparently had second thoughts about taking responsibility. She then left quickly, but did not make it far. The truck driver was shaken, but okay. Happened in Oldsmar, Florida.
Hit run. Yep. Yep, hit run. Not going far. Girl driving. Oh yeah, girl driving. Yeah, drop it to go get a. Yeah, it doesn't open. Speed up, speed up, speed up. Okay, you okay?
Sudden slow zone in the front, distract SUV driver didn't even brake. Went in between this driver and the red Chrysler. Police cuts off this truck. This was on the entrance to RD4 North in Dayton, Ohio. Slanders Pete has provided more clips with examples of bad drivers. Enjoy.
Jesus Christ.
We don't have other creatures do that. That building next to us full of cats and dogs. They all like this over. We do these things.
Christ.
Fantastic. It'd be a fantastic way to do it.
7913CU. Logway transport.